Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to give you an unboxing of the OnePlus 12. Took a little time for it to get here, but that's okay, because this is actually one heck of a deal. The 12R was a great, and it had a couple of short fallings that I, personally couldn't bend on to make it my daily, whereas the 12, wow, it's going to give the Pixel a run for its money. Let's take a look at it here. So first off, without looking at the IMEI, you can see it's got 16 gigs of RAM, 512 storage, so plenty of space for anybody to really want to run around and do a lot of different things with. So let's cut. Somehow it's been sealed. Okay, had to go get a knife to cut that. Open it up and let's see what we got inside. So go into the phone itself. We have probably just little instruction manual. Ooh, we have a USB A to C adapter that'll help you if you're with transferring. Probably got a SIM card puller in there. What is this thing? Oh, got benefits. Okay. Boop. What else we got in there? It's usually the SIM puller in here at some point. Some stickers. Nice. And there's your SIM puller. So I like that they give you little stickers, right? Show a little pride at the brand. What else we got in here? We got a brick. So that's something that a lot of things don't carry with anymore. That's a huge brick. And what kind of cord? Is it C to C? It is A to C. And that bodes well or lines up with their VOOC chargers, so those are A parts, which I find is a bit odd, but that's just different. Oh, that looks sexy. Nice emerald look to it. Very cool. Is it any bigger? No, about the same size. Look at the size. Look at those camera. Those are going to be really cool to play with, to get something with some zoom on it, etc. So let's see if it's got any juice. It's kind of going to boot up. There we go. But yeah, in terms of like bang for your buck, these guys have done pretty well. This OnePlus. And I'm looking forward to giving it a shot because, I've got the watch, I've got the pad. Why not give it a shot? I just need to find a good case for it, I think. Now, it also has the little screen protector sort of built in there. Scanning for a QR code. What do you need a QR code for? Got power, volume. We're going to have, the infrared, right? Remember that guy? And then there's our SIM tray at the bottom. Okay, so that's the unboxing. I'll have a review up in a little bit. If you have any questions, shoot away. Thanks.